Put a sanitary pad inside your sock. This trick will help you get rid of a persistent problem. Shoes often rub at the worst moments. Instead of searching for band-aids that will roll off or fall off after a while, try this trick. Cut a piece of the pad and stick it to the spot where the shoe is rubbing. Then put on your sock and continue wearing the same shoes comfortably. I guarantee this trick will bring relief. It's a genius hack that I use myself. Cut a thin sanitary pad and put it in your shoes. You'll thank me for this trick later. Thin sanitary pads are perfect for heels and all other types of shoes. Cut them into smaller pieces and insert them into your shoes. Every woman should know this trick. When your shoes cause blisters, you can use thin sanitary pads. They have rounded ends. Cut them off. You'll have 2 such pieces. They are delicate and soft. Remove the protective paper from the adhesive side. Stick 1 piece inside your shoe, precisely at the heel. Do the same with the other shoe. This will prevent your feet from slipping out of the heels and stop them from rubbing against your heels. It's the perfect solution for women, providing comfort and convenience when wearing heels or new shoes. My mother-in-law repeats this ritual every Sunday. She closes her hand around exactly 7 cloves and taps them on the floor 7 times. Then she puts the cloves inside her shoes. People once believed this helped you step into the new week with good energy, luck, and a positive mindset. Add it to your wash, and even the most delicate shoes will come out bright white like new. You just need to wash them differently than usual. You don't have to scrub sneakers or other sports shoes by hand, which is tiring and time-consuming. You can wash even a single pair in the machine, and it will handle them well, even without a special shoe cycle. Choose a delicate fabric program, set a low temperature of about 100 Fahrenheit, and use a low spin speed. To keep the shoes from moving around the drum and rubbing against each other, add a thick terry towel to the wash. You can even use 2 towels. They protect the shoes during washing and spinning and help them clean more effectively. Your shoes will come out looking bright, fresh, and perfectly clean. There's a way to dance all night in new or uncomfortable high heels. Even if you bought new shoes just before the planned party, trust me, you have time to stretch them out. The heels won't be tight anymore. You'll forget about blisters and sores. All you need is a simple trick to make the most uncomfortable shoes fit perfectly. Use zipper bags. Place these bags inside your shoes. Adjust the bag to the shape and size of the shoe, then fill them with hot water. Just make sure it's not boiling water. Leave the bags inside the heels for about 10 minutes. By using this trick, you can help the material gently loosen up, making them more flexible. This way, the shoes will better fit the shape of your feet, increasing comfort. When using this method, make sure the bags are sealed tightly to avoid water leakage, and don't overheat the shoes, as that could damage them. The heels will be looser and won't pinch. You'll dance all night in them. What tricks do you have for tight high heels? Don't pack your shoes like that if you don't have shoe bags or anything else to wrap them in. Take them out. There's a zipper in the lining of the suitcase. Unzip it and put the shoes in there. The lining material will protect your clothes from getting dirty. Zip it up and now start packing the clothes you need to take, and that's it. Since I started using this trick, I no longer throw away dirty or old shoes. Stains, dirt, dust, and unpleasant odors disappear quickly. You can also rescue sports shoes, Crocs, or even other soiled items using this method. All you need are these small balls. Since I learned how to make them, my sneakers, Crocs, and even socks are always clean. To make these balls, you need 2 small cups of baking soda. Add 2 tablespoons of any dishwashing liquid and 1 tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide. Mix all the ingredients into a uniform paste. You can now start shaping this paste. It's best to make smaller balls from it. I usually use similar ones more often. 1 such ball is enough to remove stains and dirt from a particular item. You can transfer them to a jar for storage. 1 screw-top jar is enough. To clean sneakers, take a bowl of warm water. Put the shoes in it. Now take 1 ball, crumble it in your fingers, and start cleaning the shoes. You can clean the soles directly with it. You can also dissolve it in water and clean the sneakers with a brush. A few minutes are enough to remove dirt. Baking soda and hydrogen peroxide work well on many stains, and the dishwashing liquid enhances their effectiveness. You can clean Crocs in the same way. The dirt disappears quickly, and there are no more stains. Then, just rinse the footwear well, and you're done. You can use these cleaning balls for shoes, socks, clothes, and even other items that need cleaning. On hot days, your shoes don't smell ideal. I have a solution for that. Discover an effective trick for sweaty shoes that really works. Just a few simple steps are enough to restore freshness to your shoes. The first step is to prepare a spray bottle. Pour alcohol or disinfectant into it, which works great for eliminating the bacteria and fungi responsible for the unpleasant odor. Most of us have such a liquid in our purse or backpack. Next, prepare the shoes you want to freshen up. First, remove the insoles from them. Then thoroughly spray the inside of the shoes and leave it for a few minutes so the liquid can penetrate the material. Next, take care of the insoles. Spray them with the liquid as well, and then sprinkle them with baking soda. Rub the baking soda thoroughly into the insoles and leave it for a few minutes. This product not only kills bacteria, but also leaves a pleasant, fresh scent. Then rinse the insoles in water and leave them in the sun to dry. After the shoes have dried, the unpleasant odor will be gone. Regular use of this method will help keep your shoes in perfect condition. I hope this method will be helpful to you. Pour salt into your shoes. More and more people are doing this for one very important reason. Let me explain why it's worth trying. Take the shoes you wear most often. Pour 1 tablespoon of salt into each shoe. Salt has natural hygroscopic properties. Shake the shoe a little to distribute the salt evenly inside. Leave the prepared shoes overnight. This part is very important. The salt needs time to work, but that's not all. The next day, thoroughly vacuum or shake out the salt from inside the shoes. Now, here's why this method matters. Salt absorbs moisture, which creates an environment for bacteria to grow. That's the main source of unpleasant odors. By adding salt, you remove the problem. It's a simple, cheap, and effective way to keep your shoes fresh. My grandma showed me a trick to make my son's shoes last longer. It has made my life so much easier. We all know how quickly kids' feet grow. You might pull out your child's shoes from the closet one day, only to find that they're too tight. This simple hack can stretch shoes by up to 1 size. All you need are 2 things: a Ziploc bag and water. First, fill the Ziploc bag with water and seal it tightly to prevent any leaks. Then, place the bag inside the shoe. Now, all you need to do is put the shoes in the freezer and leave them overnight. As the water freezes, it will expand and stretch the shoes from the inside. The next day, remove the bags and let the shoes dry. I guarantee the shoes will fit better. This trick also works for new shoes that might be causing blisters. However, if your child walks unevenly, this hack won't help, and you'll need to visit a shoe store to find a better fit.